The savory taste of Filipino mechado with the warmth and spice of a stew from the southern United States. Introducing our flavorful Mechado Gumbo, perfect for spreading joy this season. Mechado Gumbo is our Madalicious recipe of the day. Welcome back to Madalicious in Every Meal. I'm Liana Tan Arsenas for San Miguel Foods Home Foodie. Excited na ako magluto ngayon kasi excited na rin ako sa darating na Pasko. Perfect ito sa inyong handaan. Let me introduce our star ingredients. Ang ating Pure Foods ready-to-eat mechado and Pure Foods deli bockwurst. For the complete list ng ating mga ingredients para sa ating Mechado Gumbo, here you go. Screen cap na natin yan. Ngayon, ready to cook na tayo. Madali plus delicious itong recipe natin. As usual, pakuluan muna ang 1 litro ng beef stock. Once it's bubbling, hinaan and i-add natin ang ating Pure Foods ready-to-eat beef mechado. Remember, pwede naman initin ito at kainin as is, but today, we're giving it a special festive touch. Next, add na natin ang crushed tomatoes. Pwede rin naman gumamit ng tomato sauce. Allow to simmer for about 15 minutes until the sauce starts to thicken. And time to bring in the magic. Add na natin ang 2 tablespoons ng Cajun seasoning. Itong Cajun originated from Louisiana. It's a blend of spices that will give our Mechado Gumbo that authentic taste. And for today's tip, kung wala naman kayong Cajun seasoning, can make your own from scratch. Here's a list of what you'll need. Pwede nyo ulit screen cap ito. Next step natin, add our sliced Pure Foods deli bockwurst. Tapos, isunod na ang carrot, bell pepper, okra, and canned corn. Napaka-colorful and packed with nutrients. Madali na, delicious, at healthy pa. Let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the veggies are tender. Now, if the sauce gets too thick, just add a little more water or more beef stock. And here's a Madalicious tip. Remember, you can add your choice of veggies to this dish. And we're almost done. Now, let's season with a pinch of iodized salt and pepper to taste. Time to serve na tayo! Filipino mechado and the bold flavors of gumbo in one Madalicious dish. Ano pang iniintay nyo? Subukan na ang reseping ito. You know, it's always nice to serve something new. Ayan, tikman na natin kung gaano siya kasarap. It's so good.